The Ductless Directory proudly announces its newest member, Littleton Heating and Air Conditioning. Littleton Heating and Air Conditioning is a premier ductless contractor in Littleton, Colorado. If you're ready to go ductless, the first step is to hire the right ductless company. Hiring the right contractor is more important than price, brand, or any other factor. And when you turn to the professionals at Littleton Heating and Air Conditioning, you can rest assured that they're consumer top rated, NATE certified, Daikin certified. And always look for the Daikin Comfort Pro logo. It's the highest level of training a contractor can earn. Daikin dealers offer the broadest product selection, the highest efficiencies, and provide the best warranty in the business. Nobody knows ductless mini splits like Littleton Heating and Air Conditioning. Littleton Heating and Air Conditioning will find the perfect ductless system for your home, ensure a professional installation, and help you with rebates and incentives. Going ductless is easy with Littleton Heating and Air, based in Littleton, Colorado, and serving the surrounding areas of Denver, including Highlands Ranch, Cherry Creek, Wheat Ridge, and Aurora.